Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring carefully. Width and drop, adding about 1/2 extra width for gathering. Once done, mount a sturdy rod slightly above the frame to create height. Make sure anchors match your wall type. Next, slide the net curtain on or clip it to rings. Align the center first so pleats fall evenly. You want an immediate soft drape, so adjust rod position and curtain top until the fabric hangs straight and the bottom just brushes the sill. Once the curtain hangs, shape it. Make pleats every 4 to 6 inches and secure them with tiny stitches or curtain hooks so the pattern reads consistently. Then layer. Place an opaque panel or valance behind or atop the net to add contrast and control glare. This also frames the net and gives depth. If drafts are an issue, attach 1/4 to 1/2 Oz weights or iron-on hem tape to the bottom. This keeps the net steady and neatly elongated. You finish by trimming or hemming any excess length so the net clears the floor by a small gap. A blind hem looks seamless. Then style. Add tiebacks at a consistent height, decorative clips, or a strand of lights behind the net to highlight the texture. If the curtain hangs uneven or flutters, check rod level and reweight the hem. If you find holes, mend them with matching thread and small stitches to preserve translucency and the decorative effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.